So on the UMCs, we ended up financing through MFR. They were not only the most responsive, but they also had great rates and made it very seamless for us. Hi, I'm John from Samson Manufacturing, coming from Keene, New Hampshire. Samson Manufacturing just celebrated our 30-year anniversary. We started off as a job shop. About 20 years ago, we started our own brand per se, and as that's grown, we've still kept our roots in job shop, where we do a lot of rapid prototyping, design to development for not only our brand, but a lot of major manufacturers in the industry. One of the main reasons for financing through MFR was the flexibility it afforded us. If we had ended up paying cash for our first UMC, it would have really hamstrung us to bring our second UMC online within 3 months of procuring the first one. So the flexibility, without hindering our cash flow, it allowed us to bring in another machine center, sort of reinforce or rebuild some of our inventory that right now, with a fragile supply system, that we still have to be sitting on more inventory for raw materials, tooling, fixturing than we would like to. While financing through MFR, we also bundled in a sizable budget for tooling. A lot of people do take for granted how much 100 tools will run for. At $28 a full stud or a nut or something like that, and you're looking at 100 to 150 tools within 6 months. Being able to also bundle and work with several large manufacturers on bundled tooling, fixturing, really allowed us to stay nimble and be able to be making parts within the first couple weeks of the machine and showing up. We were actually making and delivering parts before our first payments were due on the machines.